Hello everyone again. Please like, subscribe, and turn on post notification. And now, welcome to the Isinas Magaling Tachara presents. Decision Theory Model number 2. Decision Making Under the Risk. Make it daw yo. So, ito na yon. So, model number 2, Decision Making Under the Risk. So, same taka natin yung about the quintessential 22 plates. I mean, baka ito na yung magiging last yata na yan. So, to the next. So, model number 2, Decision Making Under the Risk. So, gagamitin natin ito if the one state or nature can happen out of the few possible state. So, this model satisfy the following condition. Una natin yun, the payoff of each alternative is known. Number 2 is there are few states of nature. Pangatlo is probability of occurrence of each state of nature is known. Pangapat naman is the cause perfect information is known. So, yun nga, magbabay ba sila ng cause information, but in the next slide lang yan. So, next slide please. So, ito example. So, ito yung equation na model number 1 na example ko. So, make sure you watch it, link in the description. And now, example naman tayo kay Nakano Sisters Decision Part 2. So, after successfully establishing their first cafe kanina, na sinabi ko na kanina kasi pinagsabay ko to. So, kanina, na they are established a cafe. So, the Nakano Sisters ulit, Ichikani, Miku, and Yotsuba, and Itsuki are considering their next business expansion. So, mag-expand na sila to further increase their profits. So, gusto nila ma-increase yung profits. So, isabihin na natin na matagal na itong first cafe nila. So, kailangan nila ng next business expansion. Kung anong gagawin nila. So, meron sila tatlong choices. Una is open a rooftop cafe in a popular area. So, mangyayari may high investment sila dito, pero may high risk. Pangalawa naman, launch a ready to drink bottled coffee product line. So, sa cafe, may mga coffee yun na. So, mag-ano sila ng bottled coffee. Like sa mga mineral or sa mga, may na tayo sa mga products na like mga coffee ko, ganyan, na nasa bottle, sa mga convenience stores. And, ganun gagawin daw nila. So, meron silang medium investment doon, pero moderate yung risk doon. At pangatlo naman is, maintain the current cafe operation. No investment at low risk. So, wala silang gagawin. Doon natin lang tong number 3. Wait na po. Okay, next slide please. Okay, so ito na yung the expected payoff in thousands for each decision under each market condition is summarized below. So, expansion strategy nila. Ito, rooftop cafe, favorable is $14,000. Laki na na. So, average 3,000. For unfavorable naman is negative 7,000. So, ito yung magiging loss nila pag unfavorable yung kanilang expansion sa open rooftop cafe. So, bottled coffee naman, product line, 7 naman favorable, average is 5, and negative 3. Maintain current business, 0, 0, 0. 20 lang yung ano. And the probability naman sa favorable is 0.45. So, 45% sa favorable. Average naman is 0.30 or 30% probability. And sa unfavorable naman is 25%. So, pag pinagsama natin lahat ito, it's equal to 100% probability. So, make sure na titingnan natin kung tumama siya or mag-exact. So, cost perfect information naman to. Pag bibili niyo yung cost of perfect information will consist of $3,000. So, questions to answer. So, ito yung mga question. What should the Nakano sister decide based on the different decision-making models? And 2, should they buy perfect market information? Why or why not? Next. So, unahin natin solve for EMV or the expected monetary value. So, makikita po natin dito is ito, parang nilipat ko lang yung sa table. So, kukunin natin dito yung maximum. So, tingin tayo sa vertical. Yan, tama pa vertical. Titingnan natin dyan kung ano yung maximum niya. Like, nakita natin dito. 1470 is 14. 530 is 5. And sa variable naman dito is 0. So, probability, lagay natin sa baba. So, gagawin natin dito, para masolve natin yung expected monetary value is 214 times natin sa probability, nakita natin sa baba. So, nakita natin solving dito, is 14 times 0.45, i-plus natin sa 5 times 0.30, and plus natin sa negative 7 times 0.25, which mean makakuha tayo ng 605. So, ito yung mga EMV or expected monetary value kapag open the rooftop cafe. Yung hindi gagawin sa bottled coffee line. So, 7 times 0.45 plus 3 times 0.30 tapos plus natin sa negative 3 times 0.25 is equal to 3.3. And sa maintain current business naman, ayun yung doon natin nila. So, anything multiplied by 0 is 0 din. So, automatic 0 na rin din yan. So, next slide. So, ito na yun. Table ulit to. So, parang ginaya ko at nilay ko na ng EMB yung table siya. 0.5, 3.3, and 0. So, hanapin natin tuloy dito, this table, yung maximum niya. So, ang maximum nun is 6.05. So, open the rooftop cafe. So, probability, pilitin natin, solve natin, total is 1 or 100%. And para makuha yung expected value of perfect information, EVWP is ito 14.014 dito sa maximum, tatimes natin yung sa 0.45. So, makuha natin is, so, makuha natin is 6.3. So, that's like maximum times probability. 5 times 0.30, 1.5. 0 times 0.25 is 0. Tapos, hanapin natin total ng dalawa. 6.3 plus 1.5 is equal to 7.8. Next, expected of perfect value information. 7.8 minus natin sa 6.05. So, kung nakuha yun, dito is sa maximum. Nakita is maximum dyan ng EMB. So, is equal lang natin yun. So, magiging 1.75. So, 1.75 ang kanyang expected value of perfect information. Next naman, cost of perfect information is 3 or $3,000. So, net gain. So, kuhain natin yung 1.75. So, 1.75 kanina sa system natin sa EVPI. So, 1.75 minus natin sa 3 is equal to negative 1.25. So, nag-negative siya. It means, by the perfect information, sa answer number 2 natin is no. Kasi, pag nag-by sa information, malulugi yung kanilang cafe. So, next slide. Para makita natin kung tama yung ginagawa natin, we can check for EOL o expected opportunity loss. Ayan, para ma-check tong sagot natin, so copy lang natin yung table ulit. So, tilagan natin yung EMV muna. So, ito yung maximum probability yan. Tapos, opportunity loss, para makuha natin, hanapin lang natin yung maximum nung nasa vertical. So, 14.70, makita natin 14. So, mamayos lang natin yan. 14, minus natin sa 14, kagaya nung sa model number 1, I think sa minimum regret kay Itsuki. Pag ganun natin gagawin natin. 14 minus 40 is equal to 0. 14 minus 7 is equal to 7. 14 minus 0 is 14. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. 5 minus 0 is 5. Tapos sa isa naman, 0 minus 7, 7. 0 point negative 3 is 3. Yan, 0, 0. And, so nun, para makita natin kung tumutugma yung ating EVP is the times natin tuloy siya sa ito, 0 times 0.45. So, sa kung nakuha to 0 times 0.45 dito sa 0 sa rooftop cafe. Dito yan sa 0 rooftop cafe, yung sa opportunity loss natin. Tapos 0.45 yung dito sa probability sa taas, sa probability natin. Plus natin sa 0, nakuha natin sa 5 minus 5. Tapos times natin sa 0.30. Tsaka sa negative, ay sa 7, times natin 0.25. So, 1.75. Next naman. 7, ganun gagawin natin. 7 times 0.45 plus 2 times 0.30 plus 3 times 0.25 by 4.5. So, 14 times 0.45 plus 5 times 0.30 plus 0 times 0.25. So, 7.8. So, napin natin dito yung minimum niya. So, kung ako minimum, makakuha natin yung 1.75. So, it means that final decision nila is the best expansion strategy is opening a rooftop cafe based on the both EMV and EOL criteria. So, the Nakano Sisters should not buy the perfect information since it costs $3,000, but the maximum possible benefit is only 1,750. So, ito yung possible benefit nila kapag mag-open sila ng rooftop cafe. So, ayan na. Mag-opening na sila by, November 29 hanggang November 25 hanggang December 25. Ito sa dates. So, ayun lang tatapos sa ating video by model number 2. So, different characters na tayo by model number 3 and 4. And I hope you're gonna be... Names ko totally. So, I hope you're gonna be... Stay tuned to my vlog in this YouTube channel, and make sure you do the thing next to notification, and I'll see you in the next one.